Hey, what's up? This is Preston with Solid City Guitar, and in this video we're going to go over what is rhythm, and you're going to get your first drill so you can start to hear rhythm and feel rhythm, okay? So let's get started. Now, rhythm is basically sound and time. It's how long you do something for or how long you don't do anything for. And over the centuries, we've developed a language, right, music theory, to help artists and musicians know how long are we supposed to do stuff for. So the first one we're going to go over is called a quarter note, and it'll look like this. There you go. Now, a quarter note is worth one beat. You can think of it like this. In 4/4 time, we're counting to 4. It's worth a quarter of the measure. It's worth one beat. All right, so quarter note equals one beat. We good with that? Very simple. Let's play it. So all we're going to do is count to 4, and every time you say a number, you tap your foot and play a note. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it, okay? So that is a quarter note. Now, let's go ahead and get you a little riff to play along with. Okay, so here's a little riff, and here's what I want you to do. I want you to use your ring finger and go to the first string, and your first finger is going to play the first string 2nd fret. And it's going to go like this. That is it, over and over. So we're doing quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice, by the way, my technique. Do you notice how I'm not jutting this out? So later in these other videos, we're going to get into chords and everything else. And one of the reasons things are slow, fingers hurt, wrists hurt, is because of technique, obviously. So try to keep that as straight as possible. All right, go ahead and do that. Over and over, and there is your rhythms. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you can even practice strumming this just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now if you can already do chords, you can obviously apply this to your chords, such as 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sense? So there you go. There is your first rhythm. It's a quarter note. It's worth one beat. I need you to remember that. Remember the name, quarter note, and that it's worth one beat. Now, in other lessons we'll have up here online, we'll go over other rhythms and really help you understand how they all fit together. But right now, I just need you to know quarter notes equal one beat, and here's a little riff to practice. And by the way, that was Foreigner by 𝐂𝐨𝐧𝐧𝐞𝐭, so you can practice with that. Great. We'll see you in your next training.